Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're taking a look into gold. So what we can see from last week, we've had that continuation push higher. So we're still making those extensions higher. What we spoke about last video for our gold analysis, we were waiting for some sort of sell-off opportunity. So now that we can see prices just continuing to push higher and higher, this obviously brings attention to the possibility that we could be looking at reversal. So as I was saying before, is that we could expect price to just continue to make one more push higher, and then we would be looking on the lookout for price to push lower. So you could also keep an eye out for the uptrend being formed right here as a guideline for price to be convinced that price is turning over with confidence. So we can see prices been rallying up ever so steeply, and as I was saying before, once you start to see price action just continue to push higher and higher, there needs to be some sort of downwards move in order to compensate for the upside move. So yeah, this is a possibility that we're considering into for gold. So I do think the downside opportunity could be quite deep. Again, it really just depends if we're going to have a really strong break to the downside, or if we're going to have a minor sideways moving downwards move. And then if that does happen, then we could potentially start to look for either a continuation higher, or if it's really strong, we could be looking at price to continue lower. So for now, I don't really want to discuss that type of move just yet, just because we want to see how price plays out and performs over the next few days or so. So in theory, our analysis for this downside move could not happen just yet. It potentially doesn't have to happen this week or next week, and what we could possibly see is price to continue it higher and higher, and in that case we won't be able to even get in on a sell trade because of what price action is showing. So again, it's just being careful with your trades and not becoming overconfident with your analysis and where you think the market will go. It's almost based on probably what the market is telling you first before you even start to consider you're taking your trade. So that's my processes that I'll be looking at over the next week or so. So again, I do appreciate your time for watching. If you haven't done so already, we do have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. I'm more than happy to answer, and that will be all. So thank you very much for listening, guys, and we'll see you all in our next video.